I'm going to drop this camera out the window. Watch. No, you're not. Lena, barely standing. Don't even say I'm standing. She's standing at the window. I had to take a picture of that little tree. It is so pretty. And there's azaleas, which is John's nickname for me. White and pink. And there's my bread knobs, and no one is coming for them. Can we get a close-up on the bread knobs? See the bread knobs? It's kind of hard. They kind of look like leaves, but they're bread knobs. Oh, I love that little tray. It's beautiful. I'm going to name it Lena. He's naming this tree Lena? Yeah. I'm going to fall on my ass in a minute. Big trucker, keep on going. We decided not to go out on the porch today because I'm a little cold. I'm a little chilled. And we're keeping it real up in the field. So what's your plan today, John, for all this filming? I'm just a day in the life. I read the news today. Oh boy. I made some bread knobs and they look real good. And there's a little autumnal tree that Johnny named for me. He calls that tree Lena. I guess he's got a reason or two. There's the Grandessa's back porch. The Grandessa is a colorful character who lives next door. And I can't wait to meet her because I get the feeling that whole family is kind of mystical. I might be building them up in my mind. Do you think I'm building them up in my mind? I don't know. What, Chris? Are they mystical?
Yeah, they're pretty good.
Yeah. We give them marijuana that we grow. And the thing is, they showed us how to make marijuana tincture with alcohol. And it's damn good. Right, honey? Yeah. What is it called? Bruja?
Bruja. That means witch.
Oh, did they call themselves Brujas?
No, I call it. Make a tincture.
I think fucking Olga, my brother's wife, called me a Bruja, if I'm not mistaken.
Well, she meant it insulting.
Yeah, she meant it in a bad way.
A good witch.
Lena's a brouhaha. I'm a brouhaha. I bring on the brouhaha. Can't stop staring at that tree. I can't stop staring at that tree. 4,000 bread knobs going unclaimed. Come on, guys. Don't you like it? One time.